I like Higround stuff, but there's a big problem. Though this problem isn't as big enough for a lot of people to deter them as loyal customers, but it's one that will make you guys question whether you should buy something or not, even if it's a hot pickup. As you can see, I clearly had a big haul going and I spent a good chunk of change on this drop. We have 2 of their jelly bags. One is from Dragon Ball Z and one is from their Yu-Gi-Oh collab. I also picked up a desk mat from the Attack on Titan drop and a keyboard as well from the Yu-Gi-Oh drop. Though I'm not necessarily the type to rock a bag in public, I think these bags are really well made from the overall color, the aesthetics, the design, and the accurate detailing of the graphics on the bag themselves. I think they look fantastic. My purpose is a little different than most, but here's a look at how it looks on a person, and I think it looks fantastic, looks clean. If you're a bag person, you're really gonna love this. Obviously, it's made out of like a plastic, so they're not necessarily super sturdy, or I don't think they're gonna last a very long time. So if you're somebody who will use these every single day, yeah, just be a little careful, okay? We have the Dark Magician girl bag here, and oh my god, they got the Legally Blonde pink. I think it looks fantastic. Again, I'm not gonna be rocking this out, but it looks clean on person. So again, if you're a bag person, this is the must have. All right, so I've owned a lot of desk mats in the past, and I gotta say that Higround makes some of the best desk mats, and I bought them anywhere from $10 to $50, actually maybe even $60. And Higround, guys, they have come out with one of the coolest collaborations of desk mats. 2, the printing on them is so well done, and 3, just the fabric and the way they lay flat, perfectly flat on the desk is amazing. These are highly recommended. If you're looking for desk mats of cool collaborations, get some Higround ones. Now let's go ahead and lean into what are the problems of Higround. There's not many, but first, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. All your support is incredibly appreciated. And yeah, well, the problem to these boards are that they're very expensive, though their collaborations are cool and they're very well made. There's some things I don't like, okay? And one of those things is that for $150 plus shipping comes out to like $160, you're getting a wired keyboard. And for that price point, wired is just unacceptable. And we're going into 2024. Higround, this is a call out. This is a plead. If you're going to make some high-end collaborative keyboards, and again, they're very well designed, please make them wireless. That's all I ask for. I'll pay an extra $10. Nothing more than that. But please make them wireless, because these keyboards are absolutely fantastic. You guys popped off with the Yu-Gi-Oh collab. The purple looks stunning. The desk mats, everything. Higround is unbelievable, but please just a little wireless. Is that too much to ask? All right, guys, if you made it this far, I love you. Thank you. I hope you guys are safe for the holidays, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Yeah. All right. See you then.